Now let's continue with our feature story of the day. Check it. U.S. election outcome won't stop Bitcoin from hitting 100,000 per coin, according to 10T Holdings CEO Dan Tapiero. So let's break this baby down. As you can see here in the headline, the United States election outcome won't change the bullish trajectory of cryptos such as Bitcoin, which will likely tap 100,000 per coin, and the crowd is going wild, regardless of which presidential candidate prevails. According to Dan Tapiero, founder of 10T Holdings, which stands for 10 trillion, by the way. He said this October 10th at this event. Right here. This was the permissionless event, actually. I don't think it really matters, he says. Everything is going up now. The election will pass, said Tapiero during the panel at the permissionless conference in Salt Lake City, Utah. Let me know if you were at that event. Bitcoin is a proxy for cryptocurrency generally, and I believe it will head to 100,000 relatively soon, and other assets will follow. And here you can see the Bitcoin quarterly returns from 2015 to 2024. I mean, numbers don't lie. From first quarter to fourth quarter, and the breakdown each year. Now, the November U.S. presidential election pits Republican presidential nominee Trump, who said he wants to make America the crypto capital of the world. That's right, make America the Bitcoin mining capital, I believe he said as well, against Democratic nominee or whatever, Harris, who has been comparatively quiet in the industry. The U.S. SEC has taken an aggressive stance on alleged violations of crypto companies, leading many in the industry to see the Dems, who currently control the White House, as anti-crypto. That's pretty accurate. Trump has promised to fire Gary Gensler. Yay! Can I get an FGG? Who currently heads the SEC. And starting in September, Harris upped her crypto game, listing block tech amongst several emerging tech where she wants the U.S. to remain dominant. Believe nothing that lady says. Obviously, I'm preaching to the choir. On October 2nd, Grawal, who heads enforcement of the SEC, stepped down, possibly signaling a pivot from within the current administration. Meanwhile, some crypto industry Trump supporters say that the former U.S. president lost their votes after the widely criticized debut of a Trump-affiliated crypto project in September. So some, I guess, crypto folks did not like that fact. Interesting. The influence of presidential candidates' stance of crypto on voter decision-making. It says 37% significant impact on my presidential vote. 73% say some impact on my presidential vote. So according to the ZX Square Capital investment chief, ZK Cheng, the Bitcoin price will benefit from the election regardless of who wins. I also agree that 100K is inevitable regardless of who is in office, but I do think a Trump win will pump us much faster here in Q4. Yeah, I mean, I do believe that, but I think the end goal will remain the same. Bitcoin's going to do what it do because Bitcoin do what it do, and it's on its own trajectory. The impact of April's Bitcoin halving event has historically led to strong fourth quarters, and both presidential candidates have failed to address a vital issue that could play into Bitcoin favor, according to Shang, who told Cointelegraph. As both Republican and Democratic parties do not appropriately address the ever-increasing U.S. debts, that's right, they just make fun of each other, and deficits during the election, this will be very bullish for Bitcoin, especially post-U.S. election. Meanwhile, blockchain tech continues to gain traction with billions of dollars in institutional money flowing into the BTC and Ethereum funds this year, 2024. Quoting Tapiero, this move toward putting all value on the blockchain is bigger than one election, and so I think the tide continues, and it rolls, and it also is global, according to Tapiero. So there you go. Yo, Dan Tapiero. Let me know if you agree with that 100K prediction for the King Crypto. Holler at your boy. And there you go, yo. Welcome to the Q&A segment of the live stream. I'm going to be streaming for the next hour. We're going to switch soon to the uncensored version of the pod. Make some noise. Read your predictions out loud. I'll read your comments. At least I'll do my best to do so. Smash the likes, lads. Thank Calv Beans, HLV. JV, love you, bro. Been on the Spotify listening. Shout out to the Spotify. Let's go.